Hi Mad Family, welcome to the Home Loan Review series. Today we'll be talking about the Unloan, something that keeps popping up in meetings and clients are asking me the question, what is it? So the Unloan is offered by Commonwealth Bank. When you jump on their website, they're offering a pretty cheap rate of around the 4.5%, which is about the 0.2%, 0.3% cheaper than what CBA is offering on the package, which is what a mortgage broker can write, or even direct to branch. So when I'm trying to review it, I'm gonna try and be as unbiased as possible because yeah, it sucks a little bit that I'm not able to write it, but at the end of the day, if it's the right decision for you to go through them, beautiful. But there are a lot of boxes to tick. For instance, they only do refinances, they don't do purchases or pre-approvals. They don't look at self-employed clients, it has to be simple, squeaky clean PAYG. So when it does get a little bit complex, then of course, the client's gonna fall back on their mortgage broker. Let's just have a review of what's on the website. So it looks like a pretty clean website to me. And if we are scrolling down to these beautiful interest rates. So to new to bank clients, CBA on the package that mortgage brokers can offer, the rate does stand around the 4.79, 4.89. Now here we can see that they're offering 4.44% with a discount of 0.01%. And as the years go by, you are rewarded. The discount gradually increases. So by the 30th year, you're meant to receive a discount of 0.3%. So the way that it's advertised is this beautiful rate at starting off at 4.44%, and by year 30, you should be on a cheaper rate of 4.15%. But just to make this clear, this is a variable loan. It can increase, and even in the description below, it says future interest rates are for illustration only. Interest rates can change. The discount will be applied to the relevant reference rate at the time. So what's the rate gonna be at the time? Are the discounts gonna gradually, yes, increase, but the base rate that they'll be discounting or deducting that discount, what are they working off? There's a little bit of confusion there. Now, of course, the aim of the game is to try and secure the cheapest rate possible. But I like what they've done is that the longer you stick around with a bank, the bigger the discount. Now, in the back of my mind, I think, okay, beautiful, I can sit back and I'll be saving money because my discount will continue to increase the longer I stick around with my bank. But unfortunately, it's not as simple as that. Now, if you're looking at what this loan is trying to do, is trying to make you complacent, because the longer you stick around with a bank, the bigger the discount. But is that discount really that great? You're starting off at 0.01%, and gradually by year 2, 0.02%. That discount doesn't sound too enticing. And what are they deducting that discount from? What is the base rate? Because the base rate's always moving. This is still a variable rate. This is not a fixed rate. So the rate will continue to increase or fluctuate. So that's where we still need to continue to hunt around and find the cheapest rate possible. If you are eligible for this mortgage, you want to look at refinancing your home loan to secure a cheap rate. That's awesome. Just make sure that you schedule in your calendar every 12 months to have a chat to a professional to make sure that that rate is still competitive. You've just got to make sure that you don't be complacent. You always keep your finger on the pulse when it comes to repricing or refinancing your mortgages, and hence why you need to create that relationship with your mortgage broker to keep the banks on their toes, because at the end of the day, we get paid by the bank. Whereas these guys, the banks, they need to somehow make some money. They need to try and get as much interest out of you. They need to make profits for their shareholders. It's as simple as that. So it's our job to keep them on their toes and ensure that our clients are being looked after. That's the Unloan home loan review. I hope you found this helpful. Other than that, guys, have a beautiful day and see you soon.